Hello, good morning, kids. Sunshine, how's your weekend? How's your morning? I hope you are wonderful. Okay, I'm proud to you because you still open my PDF file. So I'll guide you to open this link. Okay. In this link, you will find 10 questions. Ya, jadi kamu akan melihat 10 pertanyaan about object around us. Okay, so what should we do? Apa yang harus kita lakukan, Miss? The first, you have to answer this. Okay. Example number 1. The question is shape, size, color, and material is called. Okay, what's the answer? Okay, if you think the answer is A, just choose A. Okay, like that you answer until the number 10. Okay, kids. If you have question, just ask me by WA. Okay, I think enough for today. Thank you. See you. Oh, I'm sorry. Deadline is 24 hours.